Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Haroldus and today I want to talk about how I landed my first developer job about 2.5 years ago. At the time, I was studying cloud computing level 4 course at Birmingham Metropolitan College and working full-time night shift job at a warehouse. So overall, I was struggling with getting enough sleep and I couldn't focus too much on my studies as I was constantly tired. A few months after starting the level 4 course, I saw an ad for Netcom training, which was government-sponsored IT training, free for anyone that qualifies. So I ended up doing a level 3 cybersecurity infrastructure specialist course. This took about 3 months and left me with even less sleep. After completing the level 3 course and still halfway in the level 4 course, I've started applying for jobs. I applied for over 100 companies trying to land the first job, something that was even a little bit related to the subject that I'm studying at college. Most didn't answer. Some answered and said that my application wasn't successful, but then I got an interview in a small company. During the interview, I've showed a very simple project that I was working on. The idea behind this project was really simple. I was using a CoinMarketCap API to fetch cryptocurrency prices and display them with Python. At the time, I didn't really know what an API was, but I had some coding experience from trying to become a self-taught software developer. The project was really basic. The first things that I have done is registered for a CoinMarketCap.com developer account so that I could get an API key. Then I found some sample code in CoinMarketCap documentation. I tried it with my own API key and it worked. Then I added a basic GUI. I was going to extend the project and develop it further, adding more features. But then I got the interview, so I just ended up showing this basic project that was half finished and it had like very basic functionality. The whole project was only about 40 lines of code, and now I wouldn't even call it a project as it is so small. However, at the time, it allowed me to learn what an API is and how to use one. So these first few lines are just important dependencies that I needed for this project. So then I'm getting the API key from an environment variable. Then I defined getCryptoPrices function. This whole function just creates a session object, then adds headers to it, then tries to make a GET request to the API endpoint. If there is an error, it prints it to the console. If not, it loops through the response, checking the object name. If that name is Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Ravencoin, then it displays a quick message. In order to actually have a graphical user interface, I had to use a library called tkinter, and it was very simple to set up. As you can see, the project is very simple. When you press the getCryptoPrices button, it calls the getCryptoPrices function, which gets the prices from CoinMarketCap API. Showing this simple project at an interview allowed me to move on to the next stage of the interview. Then I had another coding challenge, which I had to pass. However, this shows that you don't always need to have a complex project to show in order to get a job as a developer. Showing something that is more basic but unique and is actually interesting to you can be better than copying a complex project that someone else did. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.